Hi, my name is Bree, and I'm here today with another Lagniappe lesson for you. Today, we are going to talk about calypsos. Now, you might have heard of this word before, but a calypso is one of the most common tricks or leaps that you might find in a hip hop or a jazz class. Now, calypsos are really beautiful jumps. They look really tricky or really difficult, but we're going to break down a calypso into some basic steps to help make things a little bit easier and to help you find your perfect leap. So we're going to start at the very beginning with something called the preparation. Now, in dance, the preparation is the step or sequence of steps that help you get into the leap or the trick or the turn or whatever you're going to do. So our preparation for our calypso is usually going to be something called a chaîné turn. Now, a chaîné turn is one of the most basic turns you do in dance. You basically step up on one toe, do a half turn, step on the other toe, and turn back around onto that first leg, and then you keep going. For our calypso, we are going to do two chaîné turns. We are going to do the first one on our toes, on releve. So we're going to turn on our toes. Then we're going to do a second chaîné turn in plie with our knees bent. Keeping our knees bent for that second turn is going to give us the power to jump and do our calypso. So now that we know how to prepare for our leap, let's talk about the leap itself. So with the calypso, your front leg, the leading leg, is going to do a fan kick. As the name might suggest, a fan kick is basically a kick or a battement when your leg travels in the shape of a fan or a rainbow. So my leg is going to go corner to corner. Now you can do a lot of different things with your arms. The most common thing, even in a hip hop or jazz class, is to hold your arms like this, which in ballet we call third position. So as you can see, there's a little bit of interdisciplinary kind of terms there. So again, fan kick. I go corner to corner. My leg probably won't go that high when I leap, but you still want to think about making that big fan with your leg. So my front leg does my fan. I jump onto it, and the back leg comes up in this bent position called an attitude. So if I was to go down to the floor to show you what this position looked like, I would have my front leg straight and my back leg bent. My body would be tall, and I'd be holding my arms here. Now, from a calypso, there's a lot of different things you can do. The easiest way to get out of this jump is to roll to the floor. So again, I fan my leg, I jump on it, then I'm going to tuck this left knee under, sit on my hip, roll, and then cross this foot on top and stand up. So again, let's recap what we talked about. We have two turns, one on our toes, one with our knees bent. Then I fan, I jump onto it, bend the back leg, then I roll to the ground and stand up. So we are going to put that all together now. So you want to give yourself a little bit of space, right, because you're about to travel. So you would prepare for your turn. Then you would turn high, turn low, jump to the ground, roll, and stand up. Best of luck with your calypsos. We will see you next time.